बाहर अलाउड है।
ये दिखता ही नहीं है कुछ। 15,000 टाइम उठियो एक हजे देला
हजी देला पुଣି ପାଇଲେ ନା କଣ? ଏଇ ତ ହଜି ହେଇଥିଲା।
ए शर्ट टी प्रकार जिनस ये अरे कुकुरटी बोले तमरा बैग अछि कि मामू ना मारने येले रिकॉर्डिंग के बंद हो गया यार।
बुझला या चापिटा स्टैंड रे दे बिल जाके हां दे दिले दिले मु ताको कहि दे स्टैंड बांधी के पटे पुलिस स्टैंड रे दे दियो आप
ओके स्टार्ट हुआ है।
Yeah, he is the maintainer of all the inhabitants of Puri. Lokam is the people and Nath is the maintainer. So he is maintaining everybody in Puri from here. This is the mouth of the Shankar. Puri is like a Shankar Kshetra. The conch of Puri starts from here. Very kinds of Nilkantesh. On the tip of the conch. And he is underwater here. I think they are underneath us.
मना कर
Yeah. What happened is Sita Ram, Lakshman, Hanuman, when they were touring the India in their Vanvas in the forest, Sita Ram, Lakshman, they came here, and Lord Ramchandra, seeing the beauty of Jagannath Puri, he said, "This is my dham. You know, I will enjoy here as Jagannath for 150 trillion years, my dham. So I want to establish my devotee to guard this place." So he made Lokanath, he made the Shivalinga from his own hand. So he worshipped the Shivalinga, Lord Ram. And when he was worshipping this ring just slipped in the water. He was worshipping slipping in the water. And it slipped in the water, and when Shiva got the ring, Shiva like embraced the ring, and because it is Ram's mouth, so Shiva took that ring with him and kept it with him. And then Ram did not notice it. He worshipped him, and then they left. And after they walked for a few miles, Ram saw, oh, my ring, there is my ring. And see my ring. He immediately sent Lakshmana back. Get my ring, get my ring. So Lakshmana came here, and he was searching everywhere. He couldn't find the ring because Shiva was holding it. So Lakshmana shot an arrow which tracks metal with sound to find the ring. He shot an arrow inside the water, and it struck Shiva. Shiva started bleeding. And because of the bleeding, Lord Ramchandra immediately rushed back. He says, if a servant commits mistake, the master is to blame. So he took the blame and he offered his pranam to Shiv. Lokanath says, my dear Lokanath, please forgive me for this offense. So I will want to give you some benediction. So Lokanath said, I want no benediction. I want to become the maintainer of all your devotees in Puri. I will maintain you. And I will stay here with Parvati every day. Parvati and Shiva perform their pastimes. Shiva remembers Radha Kund by saying this Kunda. He remembers Vrindavan, so they are all just like in Radha Kund. There are Radha Rani's fish, Shri fishes here. There are Parvati Gauri's fishes. They are all Parvati's.
Kedarnath, there is also one Gauri Kund.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, it is inside. You are not allowed.
But I can see like from the gate.
Yeah.
Well, you
Naimisharanya.
हाँ
Lord Shiva is having a
photo
crash
उठिबो?
landing.
ऐसे भारी होना नहीं सेम देना
हाँ
Panchamukhi.
बाहर कंप्यूटर लगेले
He's sleeping on the swan of Brahma. Borrowed Brahma swan because his Nandi, his vehicle was very slow to reach. Sutta Goswami was taking Gauranga Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Bhagavatam in Naimisharanya in Navadvip Madhya. And Shiva was so anxious to hear that his Nandi, his bull was going very slow. So when he passed through Brahmaloka, he borrowed Brahma swan. And then he remains under water for around a year. But now they have got him outside. Now they are keeping him outside throughout the year. But his original desire is to stay underwater. There also he is feeling separation from Gauranga. Ram. And he is also underwater. So very the third benediction he asked is, Ram, please don't take your ring back. This is my only remembrance. So Shiva is still going. And all the maid servants of Parvati, they are all roaming around. And if you have the eyes, you can see. Kona Kona Bhagya. Madan Mohan is sitting. In the side, all 5 Shivas are sitting. And Gauranga is playing in the water. He's throwing the water. Then and Madan he comes back fast. We'll go back. They made a small place here for Brahmananda Puri's Bhajan Kuti. It was not there some 2 years back. This whole place was known as Paramananda Math. When Paramananda Puri came to Puri, the Lord Gauranga gave him this whole place to make his deities were here somewhere. He used to worship his deities and do his offerings and everything. So, for worshipping the deities, you require water. You know, without water, you can't offer bhoga, you can't do achman, you can't offer. So, Brahmananda Puri does this well himself. But when he dug this well, the water was very bitter. Very, very bitter. So when he took out the water, he tasted the water. It was so bitter that he can sit down. The water was so bitter that Paramananda Puri started crying. He put his hand on his head and said, "Ha Gauranga, ha Jagannath, you know, how shall I do my seva? The water is bitter." So when he was the last year he was so when he was meditating like that, Gauranga Mahaprabhu came to know in Gambhira. He was sitting in Gambhira chanting. So he came to know that Paramananda is feeling sad. And Paramananda is my great devotee. You know who is Paramananda in Krishna Leela?
Jai Paramananda.
Uddhava. The greatest devotee of Krishna outside of Vrindavan. Outside of Vrindavan, the greatest devotee of Krishna is Uddhava. Narad Muni, in Srimad Bhagavatam, was searching was the greatest devotee. He went to a king in his earth. He said, no, no. He was giving lot of donation. The king was a great Brahmana. The king said, I am not a great devotee. Higher than me is Shiva. Go to Shiva. So Narad Muni met Shiva. And Shiva, he said, you are the greatest devotee. Vaishnavadam yatha sambhu. Shiva said, I am not great devotee. I am in charge of Tamogun. You know, Krishna has put me in charge of both. And spirits and all that. I am not great. So Narada asked him, who is greater than you? So Shiva said, higher than me is Prahlad. Prahlad is higher than Shiva. So Narada went to his own disciple Prahlad, and Prahlad was crying tears. He was remembering the Lord. Smarana Bhakti. So Narada embraced Prahlad, said, Prahlad, you are great. You are greater than Shiva. And Prahlad said, no, my dear Gurudev, I am not great because I took seva from the Lord. I should be serving the Lord, but Lord came to protect me. So I took seva from the Lord. I did not do any seva for the Lord. So Narada said, then who is greater than you? Greater than me is Hanuman. Hanuman. Hanuman is in Dasya Bhav. He is continuously doing seva to Lord Ram. So Hanuman is higher than me. So Narada went to Gandhamadhan mountain. Hanuman is still there. And he met Hanuman. Hanuman was Narada. He said, who is, you are the greatest devotee, Hanuman. Hanuman said, no Narada, I am the most unfortunate. So Narada said, why? He said, because Krishna performed his Leela in Treta Yuga. But he has left me now. He has left me in separation. And he has gone to the Pandavas. Hastinapur. Krishna is always with the Pandavas. Krishna is not there with me. So higher than me are the Pandavas. So Narada went to the Pandavas and the Pandavas were crying. In Hastinapur, Draupadi and Kunti and everybody was crying. Narada said, you are the greatest devotee. Krishna is your guide, Krishna is your friend, Krishna is your messenger, Krishna is your guru, Krishna is your relative, Krishna is your chariot driver, Krishna is everything. You are the greatest devotee. Pandavas said, no. When we were in trouble, Krishna came to help us. But now we have the whole kingdom of this earth. Krishna has left us and he has gone where? Where did Krishna go? To Dwarka. Krishna has gone to Dwarka. So Krishna has left us. We are not great. Higher than us are the Yadus in Dwarka. They are the greatest devotees. Krishna is always with them. So Narada went to Dwarka. He saw all the Yadus. They were sitting in the Sudharma assembly and they were waiting. Narada opened them one. And Narada asked them, you are the greatest devotees. So Yadu said, no Narada, we see only Krishna 2 hours in the day. In Dwarka, बोलो उद्धव की
जय,
परमानंद पुरी की
जय,
परमानंद कूप की
जय,
गौरांग महाप्रभु की
जय,
गौरांग
Gauranga.
You don't want Krishna Prem?
You all
If you want Krishna Prem, you have to chant loudly. Once more we will try.
College.
Go!
College. College.
When this well was made, Gauranga Mahaprabhu jumped into this well. You know that? He was
Swim.
bathing in this well. So, Uddhava is the greatest devotee of the Lord outside of Vrindavan. And when Uddhava came to Puri, he became the 9 sannyasi disciples of Madhavendra Puri. Madhavendra Puri had 9 sannyasi disciples. Out of them, one was Paramananda Puri. So Paramananda Puri came to Puri, and the water, when he dug this well, it was very bitter. So Gauranga Mahaprabhu came from Gambhira in the speed of the mind. He came like that. Immediately he came here. And he asked Paramananda, why are you crying? What is your problem? Paramananda said, my dear Mahaprabhu, the water of my well is very bitter. Very bitter. Bitter means, you know in your language? What it is called? Bitter? The water is very bitter. So the Lord looked in the sky and he said, oh Jagannath, oh Krishna, oh Ganga, I order you that you come inside this well for the pleasure of my great devotee Paramananda Puri. Please come. And the Lord went away, and in the night, whole night, Ganga, it came from down, Patal, from inside the region, and it covered the well. And in one night, the water became very sweet.
Одну ночь в году вода становится очень сладкой.
Very, very sweet.
Очень сладкая.
The water is like nectar.
Это вода подобна нектару.
And the next day morning, devotees, they ran to Gauranga and said, please come. The water has become sweet. Ganga has come from Patal. Because in heaven, Ganga is known as Alaknanda. And in Bhagirathi and Mandakini, different places, Ganga has different names. In Swarga, Narka, Prithvi, Ganga has different names. So it came from the nether regions. And in Puri there are 2 places Ganga is there. One is here and one is in Shweta Ganga.
Два места в Пури здесь, которые подобны Гангу. Вот этот колодец и Швета Ганга.
So when the Lord came here and he saw that the water is very sweet, the Lord jumped inside the well. Gauranga Mahaprabhu jumped inside the well and he started taking bath in the water. So this water is Gaura Charnamrita.
Это вода
Gaura Charnamrita. Gauranga's Charnamrita. If you go in the sea where Gauranga is swimming, the water has gone, but in the well the water is stored. You know, so you can get the direct Charnamrita even now, after 500 years. Still, yes.
Why is it said that if we drink that water, we get Krishna?
Yeah, I am telling you that. Yes. So when Gauranga Mahaprabhu was swimming inside the water, he came out and then he proclaimed to all the devotees. He says, anybody who drinks this water,
Те, кто будут пить эту воду,
anybody who comes here
те, кто приходит
to Paramananda Puri's well, anybody who chants the name Paramananda Puri, anybody who even looks at this well, anybody who offers Dandvat to this well, anybody who does 4 times parikrama, 4 times, anybody who does 4 times parikrama of this well, they all will get Krishna Prem instantly. Instantly, what they call in your language? Quickly, immediately, they will get Krishna Prem. So all of you, you should drink the water and have wine. Who is getting Krishna Prem? It should come instantly. So, this water is also Maha Charnamrit. If you drink this water, it will cure all disease. Many kinds of diseases And if you have any problems in your life, obstacles, they are also removed by drinking this water. And every day you can take it and put one drop. Every day you can put one drop in your bucket while taking bath. Take it in the bottle. So every day your snan, your bath will become holy, holy bath. Every day you will take your holy bath. So in that way, one day Gauranga Mahaprabhu, he was in very much bhav and he fell inside the well. And the water of the well became butter. Butter, you know butter. Soft.
Мягкое стало, как масло.
Yes. So when he fell down, because it became butter, it did not hurt his body. His body is very soft. So he fell down inside the well and the water became like butter. So this well is also conscious. It's a conscious living entity. He is a great devotee of the Lord. As per the Leela of the Lord, the well is also adopting itself, assisting in the Leela of the Lord. So in that way, Paramananda Puri, every day he worshipped his deities. His deities were in that side. Now it has become a police station. They are making police station now. But his deities were there. He was taking out every day water and offering. And Lord Gauranga was so happy that Uddhava, he became a creeper in Govardhan. You have seen Uddhav Kund in Govardhan. Govardhan Parikrama, when you come back like backside of Kusum Sarovar, there is Uddhava Kund, where Uddhava is very like a tree, shrub. Uddhava is living there as in Shantaras. Uddhava is in Shantaras. But when Uddhava came here in Puri, Mahaprabhu became so happy on him, so happy that Mahaprabhu said, I will raise you to Sakyaras. I will make you my friend in Vrindavan. Uddhava is already his friend in Dwarka. In Dwarka, Uddhava is getting all the Maha garlands and the Mahaprasad of Krishna and all the clothes. Even the clothes of Krishna Uddhava is wearing. Everything Uddhava is getting. So Paramananda Puri also here he became a Sakha in Vrindavan by getting in Puri. That's why Jagannath Puri is a very merciful dham, and Gauranga Mahaprabhu is raising the devotees to higher levels in Puri. So now we'll have a parikrama and then you can drink the water.
Joy Jagannath. Joy.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. We chant loudly. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Jai Paramananda, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jaya Paramananda, Jaya Paramananda, Paramananda, Jaya Paramananda, Jaya Paramananda, Jaya Paramananda Group, Jaya Paramananda Group, Paramananda Group, Jaya 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 Uddhava Sakha, Jaya Uddhava Sakha, Uddhava Sakha, Jaya Uddhava Sakha, Jaya Uddhava Sakha, Jaya Uddhava Sakha. Ganga Mata Prano Dhono He, Ganga Mata Prano Dhono He, Jaya Radha Rasik Jaya Radha,
हरि बोल
Jaya Radha Rasik Jaya Radha, Rasik Jaya Radha, Jaya Radha
हरि हरि
Rasik
बोल
Jaya Radha, Rasik Jaya Radha, Rasik Jaya Radha, Jaya Shadabhuja Jaya Mahaprabhu, Shadabhuja Jaya Mahaprabhu,
जय शरभुजा जय महाप्रभु शरभुजा जय महाप्रभु
Jaya Shadabhuja Jaya Mahaprabhu, Shadabhuja Jaya Mahaprabhu,
जय शरभुजा जय महाप्रभु शरभुजा जय महाप्रभु
Jaya Shadabhuja Jaya Mahaprabhu, Shadabhuja Jaya Mahaprabhu,
जय शरभुजा जय महाप्रभु शरभुजा जय महाप्रभु
सार्वभौमेर प्राणधन हे,
हे सर्वभौम प्राणधन हे
सार्वभौमेर प्राणधन हे,
सर्वभौम प्राणधन हे
जय षडभुजा जय महाप्रभु, षडभुजा जय महाप्रभु,
जय शरभुजा जय महाप्रभु शरभुजा जय महाप्रभु
हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल,
निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल निताई गौर हरि
निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल
निताई गौर हरि बोल
If you want to see the Shadbhuja form of the Lord, you have to chant very loudly.
Because ele сейчас очень громко, если вы хотите увидеть форму.
हरि बोल
Very good. Now you are doing better. Last time,
Последний раз.
first I will chant. You can hear. Then you will chant. I will hear. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya composed the Chaitanya Shatak, 100 shlokas. How many? 100 shlokas he composed here. When Mahaprabhu showed his Shadbhuj, he composed 100 shloka. Out of that, one shloka we will chant today, so that we can glorify him. So all of you can repeat after me. Vairagya Vidya, Vairagya
विद्या निज भक्ति योग निज भक्ति योग शिक्षार्थमेक पुरुष पुराण पुरुष पुराण श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य शरीरधारी कृपाम्बुदिरस्तमहं प्रपद्ये कृपाम्बुदिरस्तमहं प्रपद्ये बोलो श्री सार्वभौम भट्टाचार्य की जय, भुज गौरांग महाप्रभु की जय, और प्रेमानंदे So this was the place, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's house, and that is his kitchen. You go inside, where his wife and him, they cooked 100. They cooked in 3 hours. They cooked for Mahaprabhu. So much food, like 100 people will take 100 days to make. They are cooking in 3 hours. Huh? Yes, yes. One day, actually, you know why Lord Gauranga Mahaprabhu came to Jagannath Puri? Why? This year, 2010, is the 500 year when Lord Gauranga came to Jagannath Puri. 500 years complete. Gauranga Mahaprabhu came to Jagannath Puri in 1510. What year? 1510. So now 2010, 500 years are complete.
500 лет ровно назад пришел Господь Сочетания сюда. То есть сейчас 10-й год, и он пришел к 510-му, получается ровно 500 лет.
So the Lord came to Puri for only one purpose, to deliver Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya.
Он пришел сюда только с одной целью встретить Сарвабхауму Бхаттачарья.
Because Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya was born in Vidyanagar in Navadvip, in Ritudvip. And before the Lord was born, he ran to Puri. He said, if he is my Lord, he will come and catch me. So he ran from Navadvip. He came to Puri. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Sit down. You have time.
Actually, we have Kaka also.
You already had.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. Because we already
Okay.
in Russian, because we need
Yes.
translation in
Yes.
also.
Okay. I'll just tell you about Radha Rasik Rai.
Yeah.
Is Radha Rasik Rai. He is the deity, the small deities which you see in the center. Small deity. That is the deity of Ganga Mata Goswami. There was a Brahman in Jaipur. He was not. He was committing many offences to Rasik Rai. So whenever he was worshipping Rasik Rai, in his home there was lot of obstacles, lot of wrong things which were happening in Jaipur. So Rasik Rai, he told the Brahmana, you go to Puri and give me to Ganga Mata Goswamini. So the Brahmana came here with Rasik Rai, and the Brahmana brought Rasik Rai inside, and he told Ganga Mata Goswamini that Rasik Rai wants to be worshipped by you. Please accept him. And Ganga Mata Goswamini, she was staying here, she was chanting every day 200,000 names, 128 rounds of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Every day she was chanting. So she said, I cannot accept Rasik Rai because I don't have the paraphernalia to worship him. I am a poor sadhak. I am just chanting. So how? So I cannot accept him. Please take him back. So the Brahmana, he took Rasik Rai and he again went out. He was very sorry. He was crying that Rasik Rai wants to be worshipped by Ganga Mata, but Ganga Mata is not accepting the Lord. So he went out, and when he was going out, Rasik Rai spoke from the Murti. Rasik Rai was speaking from the Murti. Rasik Rai is saying, you leave me here. I don't want to leave from Puri. I don't want to leave from Ganga Mata, Sarvabhauma's place. So the Pujari, the Brahmana, he left Rasik Rai in the Tulsi garden outside. Tulsi garden. And then when Ganga Mata was sleeping in the night, Rasik Rai came in the dream. He said, I am hungry, I am thirsty, I am waiting. Please accept me. I want you to worship me. Ganga Mata said, I don't have any bhoga to give you. So Rasik Rai said, whatever you give me, like any dry roti, any rice, I will be happy. Like Sanatan Goswami, Madan Mohan, it happened that same Leela. So Ganga Mata Goswamini bought Rasik Rai from the garden and she installed Rasik Rai here. And she also installed small Damodar Shila, so small Shaligram Shila of Ganga Mata Goswamini in the center, the deities. And in the top, the big deities you see with the bugle, they are Lord Madan Mohan, Mohan Rai, Madan Mohan deities. They are worshipped by the Balram Das, the Acharyas, Mahanta, Bhakta Prasad Das. Bhakta Prasad Das is serving the deity. There is Radha, Sham Sundar. You see the black Krishna? This side, opposite in front of Jagannath, is Sham Sundar, very beautiful. And Radha Vinod. Radha Vinod. That side is Radha Vinod. And Radha Raman. In that side, smaller size is Radha Vinod. So all the deities are served here from Ganga Mata Goswami's time. And Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya's house. Actually, Ganga Mata's Guruji Haridas Pandit sent her here. She was the daughter of the king. Her name was Sachi Devi. And if we are very fortunate, Pujari ji will show us the pot. Once Ganga Mata, in the evening time, she came gone from here to take bath in the Shweta Ganga. She took a pot with her nice pot. And she entered into the water of the Shweta Ganga. Jagannath's hand came out and she pulled.
Она совершала омовение в Шветаганге, и Джаганнат ее взял, схватил и полностью ее к себе поместил.
And Ganga Mata came out inside the temple. And in the temple, Ganga Mata was singing Kirtan whole night for Jagannath. In the morning, the Pandas opened, they thought she is a thief. They put her in the prison, in the jail. And the king, Jagannath appeared in the dream to the king. He said, Ganga Mata is Mahabhagvat. Ganga Mata is topmost devotee. You go and worship her.
Царя и его.
Beg your friend. You become her disciple.
Это преданный очень, это моя возвышенная преданная Махабхагавата, он очень стал бить царя ночью.
So then the king came here. He made Ganga Mata released.
Он пал из
And
стопы.
every day the king used to come to hear Bhagavatam from Ganga Mata here.
Ходил каждый день сюда и слушал.
And he became a disciple. This temple
Стал ее учеником.
has been built by the king.
Этот храм такой небольшой был построен
Became a disciple of Ganga Mata.
учеником.
And he buried some wealth for Rasik Rai. He is known as Bhu Sampatti. He buried some wealth. So in emergency seva, when there is no seva, then you can take that and worship Rasik Rai.
То есть тут есть, тут, так понимаешь, столы еще уже специально для на всякий случай, чтобы если можно было.
And that is a place you have already seen where the Lord has. You have seen that place?
Yeah.
The Lord shown his Shad Puja, 600 form to Mahaprabhu.
Thank you so much.
So thank you very much.
Замечательная история для нас. Мы услышали.
Now the Pujari will show the pot of Dashavatar of Ganga Mata Goswami.
И вот это есть вот тот самый, вот эта вещь, вот это очень замечательная вещь. Этим горшком пользовался Гангамата Госвами. Поэтому, пожалуйста, ну, later, we'll do it.
Yeah. There is a Dashavatar on the side.
Здесь вот
All the 10 incarnations of the Lord are there. And this is the pot when Ganga Mata was filling in the Shweta Ganga.
как раз тот самый
Джаганнат.
горшок, который пользовался Гангамата Госвами.
Pulled her
Представляете,
inside.
какой-то реликвия. Это очень, и она вот так просто, знаете, раз достался. И вот вы можете сейчас раз и прикоснуться.
So touching this pot means that we are having direct association with Ganga Mata Goswami.
Ну что, слушай, тогда, Леон, возьми, короче говоря, всех благословите в горшку. Пройди и всех благослови.
Please be careful. You can keep it here and you can come and don't sir. Yeah.
Так что это очень большое, это очень видное. Это горшок Гангамата Госвами, представляете? Никакой охраны. Очень замечательная история, которая была рассказана про Гангамата Госвами, которая, хотя она служила здесь в Гаганатапуре.
One day Ganga Mata Goswamini wanted to take bath in the Ganga. So she wanted to go to Himalayas for taking bath in the Ganga. So Jagannath said, don't go, you are my devotee, I cannot leave you. Your association, Ganga will come here. I will call Ganga here. So Ganga came in Shweta Ganga.
И когда однажды Гангамата Госвами, она однажды захотела, она услышала о славе Ганги, она решила пойти, она сидела там во времени, она находится далеко, и она собралась уже пойти туда. И Джаганнат сказал, я не могу оставить тебя, я так привязан к тебе, ты моя дорогая преданная. Поэтому зачем тебе будут ходить здесь? Здесь сама Ганга находится уже. И на самом деле в этот день, по-моему, Вайшака 20, по-моему, когда этот момент происходит, и Ганга входит сюда. В этот день она становится, принимает, она становится белой такой. Иногда говорит, раз в году.
Guru Ganga Mata ki Shweta Ganga ki Gaur Premanande. One day Sarvam Bhattacharya was sleeping here in the morning. He was sleeping and Gauranga Mahaprabhu came with Jagannath Mahaprasad.
И он принес, Господь Джаганнат принес, мечтаемый Бог принес.
It was 5:30 or 6 o'clock in the morning. He had not taken bath, he had not washed the mouth. He was sleeping on the bed.
I'll talk this story.
Yeah, he already talked. He came and the Lord, he ate the Mahaprasad immediately and the Lord was very happy because Name Tasmai Vayam Tato Grayam Yume Bhakya Prest. That Mahaprasad should not wait any time. So at that day Sarvabhauma became a Vaishnava, real Vaishnava when he did the Mahaprasad.
Рассказывает как раз историю, когда было как-то Сарвабхатачарья стал бедным, и как Господь Прабху пустует.
And one day Amoga, you told about Amoga also. Amoga he came.
Yes, I'll tell the story.
Yes.
He will tell. He wants to have
Yeah,
some
yeah.
good